Hey guys, Dr. Huguet here. We're here with Michael. He is at his 1 year visit, and I think overall you're down 130 pounds, Kelly said. So we were just talking about how much of a success he's been. He's done phenomenal. And so he was going over some of these things that I thought really would be great to share with what's happening. I think one of the things that we talked about was your mindset with portion control and meal planning. Um,
Yeah, you got to change your habits. You got to meal prep, and you have to be mindful of what you're putting in your system. And your success really depends on that complete attitude and mindset of I only need food to sustain. I don't need to overeat.
yeah.
And I need, when my body says that I'm done, I'm done. And you got to have that healthy fear in the back of your head that you don't want to go back to where you've been.
Yeah.
Keeping that fear alive and remembering where you were and how far you've come. That's key to your success as well.
All right. There's some things too that I think were great. You mentioned something as simple as tying your shoe. Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, so it's great when you get to a point where you realize the things that you miss out on in life when you're extremely overweight and obese. Bending over and not having to hold my breath to tie my shoe was a big one. Being on an airplane and actually buckling the seatbelt, but then pulling it. Didn't know that was a thing. When I go to like Disney and the lap bars go down further, it's just I'm not getting winded when I go upstairs at work of one flight of stairs. So it's little things like that that keep you going.
Yeah.
Along with the fear of not wanting to go back to where you were.
Okay. Did you have any other comorbidities, diabetes, hypertension, anything like that before?
High blood pressure. I was on three medications for high blood pressure. I'm down to one. And my blood pressure is low. So my doctor, I go back to in a few months, and he says that what's the blood pressure. But he did tell me at my yearly physical in December, 2 months before my surgery, my bad cholesterol was over 200. It was like 230 something.
Okay.
And now it's 82. And he told me that before my surgery, I was on the path to have a heart attack. Okay. That was where I was at. Yeah. So he has told me that since surgery and since I've done so well, I've pretty much added 10 years to my life. So
absolutely.
Yeah.
10 healthy years.
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. How's your energy level? Do you feel like you have more energy now?
Yeah, it's great. I sleep better at night. Like I'm not groggy in the morning. I don't wake up feeling like garbage. I actually get up and hit the ground running in the morning. So it's good.
You might have had a component of sleep apnea.
I did.
When you lose the weight, you get better sleep because you don't get your airway blocked at night.
Right. I was on a CPAP machine before.
Oh, okay. So is that gone now? Or yeah. Okay.
All gone.
Yep. Wow. Well, give you a high five. Yes. Congratulations. Great to hear.
Yeah.
So great job. I guess that's anything else you want to say?
Keep the fear. Keep the fear alive.
Yeah, I think that's
because if you lose the fear, you're going to go back.
Yeah.
So
awesome.